everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the missing folder pane in Outlook. Let's get started. Open up your browser, or simply if you have the Outlook application, open it up and then sign in to your account. If you're on a browser, in the search bar, search for outlook.live.com and then sign in to your account. So, if your folder pane has disappeared in Outlook on the web, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to access important emails. Here's how you can bring it back. First of all, you have to look for this kind of icon that says Show Navigation Pane. Tap onto it, and just like that, clicking on this will toggle the folder list off and on. But if your folder pane isn't still visible, you can simply tap on View, then simply tap on this little icon that says Folder Pane. Tap on this drop down, and then under Folder List, if it's set to Hide, all you have to do is simply set it to show, and that's it. Once clicked, your folder pane should appear, allowing you to access your inbox, send emails, and any custom folders. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.